I didn't feel as quick. I didn't feel as explosive. My spring film was pretty terrible. I mean, it is what it is. I think I had a better showing in the spring game, but I mean, I talked to coach, and he thought if I dropped, a little bit more weight, I'd be more explosive and quicker. So,
is the hope to put back on some weight, just slower?
Yeah, it's a camp. Since we're at camp, it's way harder, to keep on weight. But just putting on weight slowly and just, continue to keep my speed.
Do you have a goal range or?
I just pretty much by my junior year, at least in the 230, somewhere around that weight.
Okay. Could you tell right away when you came out here that, oh wow, I got that speed?
Yeah. First day I just came out, pretty blazing. It just was so different coming from spring ball. So.
Everyone always talks about your explosiveness, your first step being so quick. What is it exactly about you? What do you do to get that just quick jump off?
Me and Coach Tui, we always practice on keys, watching the ball, just watching small things. The quarterback might flinch his hand before he snaps, the center might look up a bit, or he might fidget in his stance. Just any key I can pick up on, we try to maximize on it. Yeah, exactly.
Do you feel like you're going to have to fight the perception that you're not just, a pass rusher?
Yeah, that's what we're pretty much doing this year. It's pretty hard since we're doing, this linebacker thing by committee. We have a lot of guys that can play. But just me personally, I'm just focusing on just doing what I'm asked to do.
In terms of run stopping, where do you feel like you're at?
So far, my spring film has been looking, I'd say pretty well. I didn't. I didn't think I was a detriment so far. So I think it's been looking pretty good.
Have they generally kind of given you the message that you guys are going to be rotating, and that's kind of what you should expect? Or?
Somewhere along those lines. We have just so many guys that can play. AWOL and Kenny Hill, they're guys who can start at a multitude of places. So, just working with those guys, just, getting things under my belt. So.
Could you tell that this is, it kind of seems like, things are getting a little chippier the last few days, guys are getting hurt. Is it that kind of wall in camp? You hit that wall and you gotta get over it right now?
Yeah, we're getting over a wall. We had a day off. I feel like that was, pretty good for us as a team, just to sit back and relax. But it's getting pretty chippy. Guys are, running pretty much on, running on fumes, so we just have to hit that wall and go past it.
That 15 pounds, how quickly did it come off when you decided you wanted to lose it?
Well, since we were at camp, it came off, easier than I expected it to. Watching diet is a big thing that I've just noticed. We eat way healthier at camp, so it's pretty easier, so.